What was the best thing about COA ever since you joined?
COA gave me like a good support in learning new tools that is so difficult to get that from just downloading something, you know, or doing a free trial. There's like step-by-step recordings that you have of click here and you kind of go following, makes it so easy. And without you guys, I wouldn't even have known where to get that information from, you know, and also this idea of automating things, which is, you know, the only way that we can make this business as work, you know.
Absolutely beautiful. And from everything in COA, what would you say was most helpful for you, if you enjoyed the most? Like some people love ads, some people love the sales support, the accountability, the community, the Facebook group, the program itself.
Is knowing that you're there for support, knowing that there are people doing exactly the same trip, knowing that there are people ahead of me, that it's possible, you know, and yeah, but like this window to a future that can be possible, you know, that otherwise you're so muddled up in, and you don't really know how that would work. And you guys have figured out so well, and having that it was really good.
Beautiful, Constanza. And what would you say, someone new that wants to join COA and they're on the edge, what would you tell them?
I would tell them that learning how to do something when somebody has already gone through it it makes it so much easier. You know, we don't need to reinvent the wheel if somebody has made like a really nice one that proven to work.
Amazing.